The main goal that I see with automation in Sawyer is to be less reliant on other suppliers. Not only does it increase quality control, but it also helps keep prices in line with other competitors.
As far as deploying automation for a small company like us, it's very important these days, not only just to save labor, but to have more consistent output of quality.
We actually got it started before we hired our first automation engineer. I thought it was going to be a lot more complicated than that.
We do quite a bit of work in the summer months, and we need the ability to ramp up quickly. And unfortunately, in this environment, it's hard for us to find people to come in here and do a lot of these jobs. So Sawyer is helping us smooth out and try to level load the factory a little bit easier.
We had about a 3.5-month ROI on Sawyer, so it was a very easy pitch to our CFO to appropriate the funds to be able to purchase him.
It's really there to do the hard labor jobs that we really don't want the people to do. We want them to use their brains a lot more and a lot less of the physical labor out there on the floor.